Hi, I'm Sara from Stampin Up, and today I'm here to help you create your Petal Notes Card Kit. Here's what our projects will look like when we're finished. I'm going to leave them here on the table so that you have them for reference. Here's everything you'll need to complete your projects. And don't forget your printed instructions. This kit has a variety of sentiments in multiple languages for you to choose from. I love that this kit comes with laser cut stickers. You can pull the parts and pieces that you need for each project. For me, it's easier to create one project at a time. Now that we're set up for success, let's get started. As we go through each project, feel free to refer to your instructions or pause or rewind the video as we go along. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Look at these cute projects. Now, our projects may not look exactly the same, and that's totally okay. Your personal touch and creativity is what makes them special. I'm excited to share these cards with people that I care about, and I hope you'll share yours as well. If you liked crafting with a kit today, we have more kits to choose from at StampinUp.com. Click Shop Product and then Kits Collection to find your next creative experience. Enjoy!